Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're in the house world, good morning, people. Yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. Kryptonia, Jackie, OZ, Adrian, Big Bill, Scott, everybody. Listen, I hope you get your rest on. Listen, I got 3 watch faces that you guys got to go check out in the Gear Manager store. It's going to carry you through half the week, give you an opportunity to flex between watch faces. And I'm telling you, people, it is worthy of a download. But let's check the watch face out. Now, we're going to start off with number 1. Now, number 1 is called Galaxy Watch Value Up. This one is a nice chrono watch face. It has everything that you need right at a glance. And no, this is not an interactive watch face, but this one doesn't need to be because it simply just looks good. Now, I like the style of this, and always on mode, you're going to get a nice analog look. Going to be able to tell your time at a glance with no problem. But let's look at this watch face when it's on. Now, if you look right here, I like the style of the date, and you get the day of the week that runs right into it. I like that layout. I like the look of the hands. Red really brings out the watch face. You do get 3 dials. Up at the top is going to be your miles walked around. Down at the bottom is going to be definitely your steps. You need your step info, people. Very important. And right here, you're going to get your battery percentage. This really, really looks good. Again, it is not interactive, so you can't tap into it and go deep off into your step status. But he does give you everything that you need right at a glance. Now, if I double tap, it will change this dial where your information is for your battery, red. Double tap, and that's the only inactiveness that you're going to get with this watch face. But again, this one simply looks good. I like what he did with the index that's going around the bezel of the watch. I'm giving the developer 3 thumbs up in the door for this watch face. Question is, how many thumbs up will you give this developer? Okay, you all, let's go on. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Iris 12. Now, the developer always gets down on this watch face, always offers freebies all the time. So check out this one. Now, yes, it's basic, simple, but yet effective for a digital watch face. It's going to give you everything that you can need at a glance. And always on mode, you're going to get a nice digital time, no problem. But when the watch face is on, again, it's simple. It has an analog look as well that I like. Now, up at the top is going to be your battery info. Of course, in the middle, you get a big, bold digital time, along with the day of the week down at the bottom, and your date. So it's not a bad look for an everyday watch face, a dress down watch face, something different for the day. And if I double tap, I can change the color of the index and the theme of the watch face. Not bad at all, people. Just cycle through. He gives you a few in all, and I thought it wasn't bad. What do you think, though? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on this one, considering that is a basic, simple digital watch face. Last but not least, people, watch face number 3. Number 3 is called Minimal Black Star Apps. Very nice, very unique watch face that you will be able to change in and out of throughout the week. Now, in AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. The color is going to be white, so that means you'll still get your time at a glance with no problem. But once the watch face is on, this is how you tell time. The number is going to be your hour, and the arrow is going to be your minutes. A very unique way to tell time. Very simple. And it's going to be battery efficient, so it's not going to drain a lot of your battery because of the black background. But I can double tap, and I can change the color. I believe you get 9 in all that you can customize this to color coordinate with whatever it is you're wearing for the day, or whatever your favorite color is. You can just choose it and play that one for the day. So I thought the developer did a good job with a simplistic looking watch face like this one. I thought it was nice. Question is, at the end of the day, do you think it's nice? All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.